struggle with calluses, you care about the environment and sustainability, and you are sick of wearing those plastic bags on your feet, I am so excited to share with you my latest invention, a sustainable, reusable foot peel solution. It comes in this nice hemp reusable bag, and inside this bag, a mesh bag that holds 2 reusable silicone booties. Let me show you how to use it. It's important to vigorously shake the bottle before each use. Take 4 capfuls of this peel and you're going to pour it into each shoe. You're going to make sure your feet are clean and dry, and then you're going to put each shoe on and leave it on for about an hour. After an hour, you're going to rinse your feet out. You're going to put some soap and water in the shoes, rinse them out and let them dry, and that's it. So with peels, the more you peel, the less visible you will peel. So the first time or two, you get that massive amount of skin that's coming off, all those calluses and that dead skin. But if you start treating your feet on a monthly basis, you're going to get all the benefits without that side effect of peeling. You can get on a subscription to get this bottle every 3 months, and probably after the first 2 or 3 treatments, all of that visible peeling is going to go away and you're just going to have nice, soft heels and feet.